Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. Features also include rear view camera, steering wheel controls, third row seating, sun moonroof. Make a great choice today with the 2023 Telluride. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.